If you have a non-healing wound, you've probably tried everything. Antibiotics, special bandages, debridement, silver dressings, negative pressure wound therapy, hyperbaric oxygen, maybe even maggot therapy. And your wound still will not heal. So eventually, doctors tell you, I'm sorry, there's nothing more we can do. I'm Thomas Mink, and I need to tell you something that is very important. There is something more you can do, but it requires understanding why nothing has worked so far, and it requires a completely different approach. Today, I want to explain the fundamental difference between treating wounds from the outside versus healing them from the inside. What you have already tried is outside in care. But let's talk about what you really need to do. First, let's cover what you've done. You've probably taken antibiotics, oral pills, IV infusion. You've taken them for weeks or months. You've tried advanced dressings. You've tried debridement, surgical removal of dead tissue, maybe more than once. And perhaps you've tried growth factors, gels, and topical treatments, or perhaps PRP applied directly around the wound. Perhaps negative pressure wound therapy, hyperbaric oxygen, for example, sitting in a pressure chamber breathing pure oxygen for hours at a time. Or skin grafts or skin substitutes, taking skin from another part of your body and placing it over the wound. You've done everything your doctors have recommended. You've been compliant, you've been patient, you've spent thousands of dollars and countless hours, but unfortunately, your wound still will not heal. Here's what nobody has told you. All those treatments work from the outside in. They treat the surface of the problem, but your problem isn't on the surface. Your problem is much deeper, and that is why surface will not work. Wounds heal through a complex biological process that requires three things. 1. Adequate blood supply, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the wound. 2. Cells capable of repairing damaged tissue. And 3. Absence of infection. Topical treatments can't help in that situation. They cannot fix blood supply. And if you don't have adequate blood supply, the rest really doesn't matter. It's like a foundation, building a house without a foundation. You can have the best materials, the best design, the best crew, but if the foundation isn't below the house collapses. Your wound isn't healing because blood is not reaching it. Your tissues are starving for oxygen. They're desperate for nutrients. They're trying to repair themselves, but they don't have the raw materials to do it. You can imagine a garden during a drought. You can fertilize the soil, you can pull the weeds, you can stake the plants, but if water isn't reaching the roots, everything dies. And that's what's happening with your wound. All the topical treatments are like fertilizer on dry soil. They might help if blood flow were adequate, but when blood flow is a problem, they're simply inadequate. Let's look at a different approach. This is where Hemostemix offers something fundamentally different. Instead of treating the wound from the outside, we heal it from the inside. Inside out healing means restoring circulation, regenerating microcirculation, using your own cells, putting growth signals inside the tissue where they're actually needed. ACP is currently in clinical development, and it's designed to address the circulation problem directly. We're not putting something topically on the wound, we're restoring blood flow to the wound. And that is how ACP works. Let me describe the process. First, we take blood from your arm, like a routine blood test. This is simple, quick, and painless. Next, we educate your cells to become cells that help create new circulation where the body signals it needs that new circulation. These cells are called angiogenic cell precursors. Angiogenic, meaning neocirculation, and these are the cells that your body needs to help regenerate new blood vessels. We inject these cells into your leg muscle, not into the wound itself. And after that, your body does the work because it recognizes these cells and it helps guide them to the locations where they're needed. These cells release signals that encourage your body to grow new circulation where the body needs the new circulation. So this is not about putting a better bandage on a wound. It's about giving your body what it needs to heal itself from within. It's really about addressing the root cause and not masking the problem. ACP is designed for patients where circulation is a limiting factor. So you may be a candidate if you have non-healing wounds despite months of topical wound care. You may have peripheral arterial disease, or what's defined as critical limb ischemia. You may have been told that you're not a candidate for revascularization or a stent. You may have had a bypass surgery or angioplasty in the past, and that cannot be repeated. Or you may be an individual who has been told by your doctor that you are a candidate for amputation. You may have adequate blood flow, but you may have delayed healing for other reasons. So if you have certain medical conditions like active cancer, unfortunately, you will not qualify. What to expect? ACP is your own cells, nothing foreign. The procedure is minimally invasive. Some patients have seen wound healing and have avoided amputation, in fact, a very high percentage. Results vary. While not everyone responds the same way, the outcomes are significant. So this is a fundamentally different approach, one that leverages your body's natural healing mechanisms. There are two ways to access ACP. The first pathway is in Florida, where commercial treatments are available now. This is an option for patients who want treatment now. It is self-pay. And the second option is to join a clinical trial in the Bahamas. To learn more, click on the link below to speak with our patient care team. You've tried healing from the outside. Maybe it's time to try regeneration and healing from the inside. When blood flow stops, your options do not have to stop. And if you're a patient who's been told, "I'm sorry, there's nothing more we can do," do not accept that. Click on the link below to learn more about how Hemostemix can work with you to regenerate your circulation. I'm Thomas Smink, and I know true healing starts with blood flow. Thank you.